this is every time I start this podcast, I always say this is a place for hope, truth, and healing. And obviously, the truth part is covered. The healing part is not so much necessary for this podcast. Hope. I think hope, that's something the people of Haiti could desperately use. And again, I'm not speaking from somebody who just, I've read a few articles or I've seen a few videos. I'm speaking from somebody who've done those things and also have experienced a lot about Haiti. Hope. What do you want the people of Haiti who are watching this, or whenever they will be watching it, or anybody in a third world country, what do you want them to know?
I want them to know that there is hope for the country if we start working together, if we start listening to each other and help. We can't just sit and wait for people to come help us. It doesn't happen that way.
Right.
Because every country has their own problem. Because if you don't try to fix your own problem, guess what's gonna happen? The country who's gonna come and help you, they're just gonna cause more problems because you're not used to how they're fixing things or fixing,
Right. Yeah.
what I mean. So
yeah, for sure. I'm tracking.
all the tools are there. Everything is there. The problem is us. We have to know how to work together because that's what other countries are doing. They don't hate their brothers and sisters if they have that position in the government working, which is that's Haiti's one of the biggest problem. People get jealous really fast on what you have.
Yeah. Yeah.
So there's hope if we just like one another and work with each other. We can do it. If they can do it, why not us?